Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today my lesson is about heat. It is from your science textbook, and let us discuss some important points regarding heat. As you have learned this word heat in your day-to-day life. What is the heat? Anyone? Any guesses? Let me discuss. I will write heat is the form of energy. What is heat? It is the form of energy. Okay, students, first point about heat, wrote it on your notebook. What is heat? Heat is a form of energy which gives us the sensation of warmth. Sensation of warmth. You may write down this definition of heat. What is heat? Heat is the form of energy which gives us the sensation of warmth. Students, you have seen or learned that during winter, what we wear during winter? We wear woolen clothes. What we wear? Woolen clothes. Why we wear woolen clothes? Because these woolen clothes keep us warm. Keep us warm. And obviously, during summer, we wear cotton clothes. Why we wear cotton clothes? These give us the coolness. We feel cool by wearing cotton clothes. That means we wear woolen clothes during winter because these give us the sensation of warmth, and this sensation of warmth is called heat. Okay, students, what is heat? Heat is the form of energy which gives us the sensation of warmth. Or during summer, we prefer light colored clothes. Light colored clothes because these do not trap much more heat, so we feel cool by wearing cotton clothes. So that means heat we can write. You can write that heat is the form of energy. In winter you feel cool inside. For example, in winter you feel cool inside house, and you may prefer to feel or come out in the sun. You feel warm in sun. When you come out from your home, you feel warm when you stand up in front of the sun. In summer you feel hot even whether an object is hot or hot. Let me discuss how this we can feel the sensation of warmth. We can feel, first of all, we have to detect what is hot and cold. What is hot and cold? We have to first understand what is in how we can feel hot and how we can feel cold. In our day-to-day life, in our day-to-day life, we come across many objects. Many objects which give us the sensation of hotness or sensation of coldness. Okay, students, for example, you take tea. What is what you feel tea is? We feel tea is always hot. Okay, students, ice. What is the sensation of ice? It is cold. Okay, there are in our day-to-day life we come through many objects which gives us the sensation of hot and cold, and you can give many examples about hotness and cold, or about the objects through which we can feel hot and cold, such as ice cream, such as juices, such as handle of a frying pan. These are the examples how we can feel, or how we can get the sensation of hot and cold. Okay, students, then after how do we feel? And okay, students, there is an then after you have to know that for feeling or for sensation regarding hotness of an object, for feeling or for the sensation regarding the hotness of an object, there is a reliable measurement. There is a reliable measurement, or we can say a reliable measure of the hotness of an object is its temperature. So, students, for sensation or for feeling how much a subject is hot, we have to first detect its temperature. What is temperature? A reliable, you can write on your notebook, what is temperature? A reliable measure of the hotness of an object. एक measurement, one of the measurement of the hotness of an object, how much an object is hot, it defines it as temperature. For feeling, or you can regard the for feeling or for sensation regarding hotness of an object, we have to first detect it as temperature. What is a temperature? A reliable measure of the hotness of an object is it is temperature. Okay, students, you can write for measuring the temperature. For measuring, how we can measure the temperature? For measuring the temperature of an object, for measuring the temperature of the object, there is a device that is called thermometer. You maybe have learned this learned about the thermometer or not, but I will discuss thermometer. There is a device which measures the temperature of an object, the temperature of the body or temperature of the object. We will discuss first overall objects.